Now let's check out the template that I was talking about, the email that you have to send, what exactly you have to write. So this is the exact template email that you have to send. You have to simply copy paste and send it. Dear the supplier name. Now you must have noticed about Chinese supplier. What happens is, suppose this is a name, this Lucia Tang. So their first name is this Tang, and Lucia is their last name. They write it this way. So you can write that way, the whole name here. My name is Sammy. Your company name will be here. I am the purchase manager at your company name. Okay. We are brand focused on kitchen accessories, your category, whatever you will be, you will write it here. We are interested in one of the product that you produce. It's your product name. You will get the product name and the Alibaba page link so that it will be easier for them to understand. Now I have also attached the product image for your reference. Also attach product images so that they will understand it more better and it will save you a lot of time. Could you please send me quotation with the FOB prices at 100 units, 500 units, 1000 units, 3000 units? Now do not send them a lot of questions in the first email. Only ask. This will give us straight prices. They generally send prices, their quotation in an Excel sheet with the company name and all. We will come to that later. What is the lead time? So with all this quantity, they will also tell that what is the lead time. So they will know by this email that, okay, you are professional, you are straight to the point, you want the quotation and all. They will file a quotation and give it to you. I'm looking forward to your answer. Based regard, your name will be here. Now this is a short email because we don't want them to overwhelm and go in Google Translate English to Chinese and reply and all those kind of things.